Here we are at the park where I live in Ville Saint Laurent. It is a very sunny morning, sunny day, hopefully the whole day. The grass is really wet here, and I'm getting ready to Maiden my airplane, the MXS from Super Rock MXS Rock Hobby. There it is. There's the radio. So let's put a battery in this puppy. Let's adjust the trims and as well, because Henry, I'm serious here. I mean, this plane's big. I don't want any problems, you know.
Remember the biplane you had was just as big as this.
Was it?
Yeah. It's not any bigger than that. The biplane used to fly.
I don't
Especially the black and red one, whatever it's called, I forgot.
How's the CG? Super nervous.
It's like it's gonna be the first time you ever fly a plane.
Yeah, it feels
like that. Don't jump in the air. Relax.
Are the airlines correct?
Let me see.
Yeah. Right, left, left, right. Correct.
Yeah,
up and down.
And then the
left, right. Let's give it a little taxi. Yeah. A bit touchy, and feels like it's underpowered.
Feels like it's easier to fly. Looks like it's easier to fly.
Yeah.
Any camera has a digital focus for.
Hang on, Henry. I lost the perspective.
It's coming our way.
Yeah. I got it. It's like tail heavy.
Yeah.
Please, keep an eye.
Yeah, don't worry about it. I'm looking. We're gonna try landing just to try it out. Does it feel good? Feels good. Looks good.
Like, I need more weight up front.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
So maybe if you do put the camera in the nose, maybe.
I'm shaking like a leaf.
Okay, the battery of my camera is low now. If you want, you can land. So
I'm not gonna land yet.
Okay.
How many minutes am I flying?
I don't know, 2 minutes, 3 minutes?
But there's a guy with a dog over there.
It's far away.
Kind of floaty, you know?
Yeah, good. That's good.
It's coming our way.
Yeah.
Tell the guy to walk close to the fence.
I'm not gonna tell nobody nothing.
I mean, this thing weighs like a kilogram and
Just
a half.
land. Land already, fuck.
This thing weighs a kilogram
So
and
land.
a half. much time I'm flying?
No, menos de descer. I have no idea. Maybe 3 minutes already. They probably did 3 minutes already.
Ah, I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to land. I just got too close to the ground. I said, fuck it, I'm gonna land now. And then I'll land. Just one more lap. Huh? It's freaking smooth, man.
Yeah?
Yeah. And almost no wind. It flies so smoothly. Look at, no throttle, hang on. How smooth it is. See how it comes down slow? You see that?
Yeah. Is it like a glider then?
Yeah, almost like a glider. Yeah.
Does it feel like that, what's it called? That the plane that you had, the one of balsa. What's the name? That plane that you had called Sukhoi.
There, it landed.
The Sukhoi, does it feel like a Sukhoi?
Yeah, it's like a shit koi. I know you're blocking the camera.
Where's the camera?
It's behind your butt.
Okay, basic landing gear, aguenta, né?
Yeah, it's a strong landing gear. It's a strong landing gear.
I think this battery's pretty much done.
Okay. Awesome flight of the MXS from Rock Hobby. It went very well. It's extremely docile plane, although it's a 3D plane. Extremely